Hello everyone, it's never about the tenure or the number of years. It's about completing a journey of growth, teamwork and leadership. Over the past 2 years, Mr. Dilip Kumar has grown from a hardworking team member to a confident assistant team leader who motivates everyone around him. So today, we are celebrating his milestone, the memories he has created and the meaningful impact he has made at Hike Education. So let's hear it straight from the man himself. Hi Dilip.
Hi Purvi.
2 years at Hike Education, huh? So how would you describe your journey in one word?
Okay. So if you're going to ask me a one word, first of all, it has been a 2 years. So I'm going to describe in 2 years in a two.
Right.
Okay. Just like in the first year, it would be a struggle part because at the initial date, I was joined as a BDM, Business Development Manager. Afterward, in the second year, there is a promotion. I would like to say. मेरा promotion हुआ and afterwards I became senior BDM. Afterwards currently I am working as a ATL. So struggle and success are both right now.
So what is that one leadership moment that made you feel proud of your team?
So if you're asking me one leadership moment, okay. So I think एक बार क्या हुआ था कि हिमांशु मेरी टीम में नया ज्वाइन हुआ था एंड इनिशियल डेज नंबर नहीं हो रहे थे, नंबर थोड़े से अप्स एंड डाउन चले थे, बट इन द एंड ही इज़ गोइंग टू डन द टारगेट एट लीस्ट 325%. सो मेरे को मतलब उस टाइम आपने पूछा मेरे से कि टीम एफर्ट्स, तो मुझे उसमें अच्छा लगा एंड टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन मैनेजर, उनका भी एफर्ट था, मेरा भी एफर्ट था, तो वो प्राउड मोमेंट था मेरे लिए.
Every team has its own ups and downs. So how do you keep your team motivated during a tough month?
So if you're going to ask me ups and downs, so we were actually working on the sales organization, so there are some ups and downs we were actually facing for the months only because there is a peak month, so there is a down month. So in that case अगर मैं बात करूँ एज पर द लीडरशिप प्रोफाइल, तो टीम जो हमारे एफर्ट्स पुट करते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पेशेंस तो इम्पॉर्टेंट ही है, क्योंकि बिना पेशेंस के कोई भी टीम आप पे एफर्ट नहीं डालेगा, क्योंकि हर टीम चाहती है कि हम अपना एफर्ट्स तो पुट करेंगे, बट एज अ टीम लीड हम लोग को उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा उनके डाउट्स, उनके एफर्ट्स जो मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स बना रहे हैं, क्यों उनके कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो एज पर द लीडरशिप प्रोफाइल विल एक्चुअली हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन विथ पेशेंस ओनली.
Okay, that means patience is the key. So who has been your biggest inspiration at Hike Education and what is that one thing that you have learned from them?
So if you're going to ask me this question, Purvi, so first of all I'll have to mention there is two names. First of all, one is my senior manager at the moment when I have joined Hike Educations. Her name is Ruchi ma'am, and second one would be my manager Group Pava. So I have learned a lot thing from them. जैसा कि मैं बता दूं, अगर जैसे मैंने रुचि मैम से एक टीम मोटिवेशन सीखा है कि टीम को कैसे हैंडल करना है, कैसे अप्स एंड डाउन सिचुएशंस में. कमिंग टू द ध्रुव सर, it's all about the loyalty because he have already served the organization more than 5 years and I'm actually working as right now 2 years. मेरे को 2 साल हो चुका है यहाँ पे. तो loyalty in terms of उनके से ही मैंने सीखा है सब कुछ अभी तक जो भी है.
That's amazing. Now what skill or habit have you developed the most in these 2 years?
So Purvi, if you're asking me this question, so I have developed my personal growth, professional growth both in terms of achievement. I have done the targets which you are looking forward. क्योंकि अगर मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज रियल बेस्ड. व्हेन आई हैव जॉइंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो मेरा पहला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था, तो मेरा सेल्स का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था. तो उसके बाद में क्या हुआ कि मैं छोड़ रहा था ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो किसी ने बोला था कि मत छोड़ो, तुम सेल्स के लिए ही हो. तो आफ्टरवर्ड्स कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैंने छोड़ा. अब मैं यहाँ पे आया वापस, ठीक है, ज्वाइन किया सेल्स डोमेन, फिर से सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आफ्टर वर्किंग 2 years आई हैव प्रूव्ड माई सेल्फ, आई हैव ग्रोन हियर, आई हैव achieved all the things which I'm looking forward for my future, and yeah, it's going great.
That means you should never give up.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so what's that one quality every leader should have?
Okay, if you're asking me one good quality, this is all about the motivation. If you're motivated, then your team is already motivated. मोटिवेट रहोगे तभी टीम मोटिवेट रहेगी. तो बी मोटिवेटेड, सब कुछ आपको इन द इनिशियल सब कुछ वही मिलेगा जो आप चाहते हो.
Now lastly, what's your next big goal for yourself and for your team for the coming year?
So if you're asking me for the individual, first of all I'll have to tell you I'll have to looking forward for the hierarchy position because in terms of अगर आप किसी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल पे वर्क कर रहे हो, I have business here grown as BDM, senior BDM, ATM, so I'm looking forward for my career growth as per the higher positions also. Now coming to the team, all about the team को मैं भी अभी मोटिवेट पे ही चल रहा है सब कुछ, तो मैं भी अपना टीम एक्सपेंड करने का ऑप्शंस देख रहा हूँ. अब जो डिपेंड करता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल पे. आई एम डूइंग माई एफर्ट्स. अगर वो एफर्ट्स शो होंगे तो इन द एंड मुझे जो भी अपने रिजल्ट रहेंगे ओवरकम मिलेंगे.
Okay, great. So that was it for the leadership talk. Let's lighten a bit and do something fun. Now, this is going to be the rapid fire round and related to your team. You don't have to think twice. So, whatever I'll be asking, you have to answer in one word.
Sure.
Here comes the first question. Who is the early bird of your team?
Early bird, I think Kavya Mishra.
Okay. Who's the real entertainer of the team?
Entertainer, Nirmal sir.
The one who's always ready for the Instagram reels.
Nirmal sir.
The most consistent performer.
Most consistent, tough question. Okay, I'll have to think. The most consistent one is Sardar Simran Singh.
All right. Whose desk looks like a mini shop every afternoon?
Mini shop. Okay. It's Dhruv sir.
Who's the loudest on the calls?
The loudest one is Sardar Simran Singh.
Okay. The one who disappears fastest right after the break starts.
Okay. It's, I think, Himanshu Verma.
Okay. Who's the first one to ask lunch kab karna hai yaar?
It's me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who always asks for the fresh data?
Abhay Kumar.
Dilip's journey has been a blend of dedication, determination and discipline. He has shown that success isn't just about closing the deals, it's about uplifting others to do the same. Here's to more growth, more wins and many more achievements ahead with #LifeAtHike.